Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on themes over here and click on more. Then tap on the loop and type whatever you want to. I will go with cute. Now select the theme that you like the best, click on it and tap on this green button over here. Then we need to wait. Now just apply and click home button. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, all you need to do is tap on the same settings, click on themes over here, this time select my themes, and pick one of the options by clicking on the chosen one and tapping apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!